Have you ever wondered if a twin soul relationship can truly end? We are told that twin souls are eternal, but what happens when things fall apart? Can this deep connection ever fade away? Let's explore the truth behind this powerful bond. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the most emotional questions about twin soul connections. Can a twin soul relationship really end? Twin soul relationships are intense, transformative, even soul shattering many times. But what happens when you feel like the connection is over? Does this mean that the journey has ended? Or is there something that is deeper here to play for you in your future? By the end of this video, you are going to understand the nature of twin flame dynamics, why separation might happen, and whether it's truly the end or just a new phase. A twin flame is more than just a soulmate. It is just one soul that split it into two bodies, creating a connection so profound that it is challenging yet transforming in the ways that no other relationship can be. But this is the thing. This relationship isn't always smooth. In fact, twin flame, twin soul journeys are often marked by growth, self discovery, and yes, even separation. So, can a twin flame relationship truly end? Let's understand together. Number one, the nature of twin flame separation. Separation is a common phase in a twin flame relationship. It's when one or both partners feel the need to distant from each other. This happens due to emotional overwhelmness, unresolved trauma, or the need for personal growth. But does separation mean the relationship has ended? Not necessarily. Most spiritual perspectives suggest that even during separation, the connection remains same. It is as if your soul is just defining itself once again, working on the lessons so that you both can amalgamate together and move back to light. Number two, when does a twin flame relationship feel like it's over? There are times when the connection might feel completely severed and you feel separation. Maybe there is no communication or one or the other partner has moved on. While this can be heartbreaking, it's important to remember that the twin flame relationship is about growth, not attachment. Mark these lines. Sometimes the ending is actually a pause, a period for both the individuals to heal and evolve separately. I've explained this to so many people while doing Akashic record readings for them. Number three, can a twin flame connection fade away? Here is where it is very tricky. A twin flame relationship is a connection that is eternal, but that doesn't mean that the relationship in the physical world is guaranteed to last forever. If both individuals aren't ready or willing to grow together, the relationship can shift, the dynamics can change, or even dissolve in the lifetime. However, the spiritual bond doesn't truly fade. It might go dormant, waiting for the another life, but it is just the phase of growth and not the end. Why do twin soul relationships end or feel like they are ending? Number one is emotional intensity. Twin flame relationships are very intense. They are just like mirror that reflects your deepest fears, your deepest insecurities, your scars. This can be very overwhelming, leading one or both partners to pull away. Number two is lack of alignment. If one partner isn't ready to face their shadows or work through the personal issues, the relationship may still struggle. This isn't a failure, it is the sign that more growth is needed. Number three, life circumstances. Sometimes external factors like timings, distance, responsibilities can create temporary barriers. They aren't necessarily be permanent, but they can make connection feel impossible to sustain into the physical world. So does an ending mean failure? Absolutely not. If a twin flame relationship ends, it doesn't mean you have failed. Twin flame journeys are about personal evolution. Even if the relationship doesn't continue, the growth, lessons, transformation, its spark will stay with you. In some cases, letting go is an act of love, both for yourself and your twin flame. Signs that it's time to move forward. Number one, the connection feels heavy. Instead of inspiring growth, it feels drained and stuck. Number two, no communication. There's a total lack of contact with no sign of reconciliation together. Number three, inner peace. You feel at peace with the idea of letting go and focusing on your own journey. Remember, moving forward doesn't mean closing the door forever. It means that you're choosing what's best for your current path. Now, what happens when the twin flame journey ends? Even if the relationship seems over, the lesson continue, and you might notice that you are growing personally, you have new relationships, you have deeper connection with yourself. You become more aligned with your purpose and value in life. You attract connections that reflect your growth. Sometimes twins will reunite after a period of separation for stronger and more aligned purpose than before. So can a twin soul relationship end? In the physical world, yes, but in the spiritual connection, it is eternal. Whether you stay together or you go separate ways, the bond you share will always shape and transform you. If you navigate a twin soul relationship or its challenges, know that you're not alone. Every step of the journey is part of your growth. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more such content. And if you're looking for guidance on your twin soul journey and you want to know more about your contract, feel free to book your session. The link is given in the description box. You can connect with our team on +91 9634 003939 or book your session directly from www.sanskritisethi.com. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and see you soon.